What I wish I knew about cockatiel love: it's loud, it's silly, it's sincere. What I thought? Just a bird on a stick. What I learned? A tiny heart with big gestures. Counting down 15 adorable ways cockatiels show love. 15. Soft head bobbing. Hello, friend. 12. Feather fluffs when you return. 10. Regurgitating snacks. Gross but heartfelt. 8. Gentle nibbles on your finger. 6. Singing just for you. 4. Swoopy cuddles against your neck. 2. Following you like a shadow. 1. Full-on beak kisses and sighs. Pure affection. If your bird does any of these, congrats. You're loved. Follow for more birdie feels.